This is a walk around of our 2022 RAM Promaster 3500 high roof extended van. We bought this van on December 29th of 2023. Had a little over 18,000 miles on it. We drove it home from Galena, Illinois. We're converting the van into a camper van. It was totally empty. It was a window van, totally empty on the inside. So just to walk around the outside, it's kind of gray, silver in color. We've installed a max air fan on the roof and a Velvet 12 volt DC rooftop air conditioner. We've got the side lights. Just installed running boards recently from PromasterWorld.com. They were the most heavy-duty running boards we could find, and they're a little less than 8 feet long, which allows access to the clean out of the gray water tank underneath the van. The gray water tank was purchased from Van Life Outfitters in Sarasota, Florida. It's really tucked up underneath there. You can hardly tell it's underneath the van. On this van, we've decided to have very few outside elements. You can see the shore power inlet back here, located so we could make sure that it's accessible when the side door is open and when the rear door opens all the way around. Both rear doors open all the way around to the sides of the van. There will be a roof rack on the van. We've got to install that yet, with a 485 watt solar panel. And yet to install underneath, there'll be a water inlet connection to the 34-gallon water tank inside the van, right above the wheel well on the driver's side. Exterior lights installed on the driver's side and the passenger side. A shorter running board on the driver's side. Aluminum wheels. This van was fitted up with some nice options from the factory. Cruise control with the assisted cruise to sense the vehicles in front of you. Fold in side mirrors. Again, it's a 2022 RAM Promaster 3500 extended. The sticker from the factory said that the badging was removed as an option, so there's no indication on this that it is a 3500 or the RAM badging, which actually is kind of nice. Again, a 2022 RAM Promaster 3500.